Welcome, thanks for stopping by. It's time to learn with our friend Clive.
Just like that.
So grab your brush, have a great time.
Let's just get that down there.
And don't forget to click subscribe.
I'm going to be using a fine mist bottle today. That's one of these. A fine mist bottle because I just want to mist down the surface of my canvas because it's getting warm. It's getting warm. Let's get a little bit of red. I want to put a little bit of a pink tinge into this sky now because there's white I've just put down. So I just wanted to get a little bit of a pinky type of tinge in the sky like that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's just bring a bit of that down there like that. Some yellow, a little bit of red, yellow and a little bit of red. There you go, yellow and a little bit of red. I want to put some orange in the sky. Blending that in very lightly with the brush as well. Because it's warm today, I thought, why not paint some sort of a summery type of heat, warm looking painting. Wow, put a bit of that in there. Just get that sky all nice and warm. Bringing that down. Blending, very, very light, very, very light touch with the brush. A very, very light touch. So let's just get some red and a little bit of yellow. Let's make a nice orange. And I'm just going to bring a little bit of burnt umber. I want to make a dark type of orange because I want to put a bit of burnt umber, a little bit of red, a little bit of yellow, and just get that warmth in the sky. I want it a bit darker than that. I want to get a bit darker than that. There we go. The warmth of the burnt umber makes for some wonderful sunset-y type of scenes. If you're painting a nice warm sunset type of scene that we're doing today. There we go. Wow. Okay, let's just put a little bit down there, maybe a bit more yellow then. Let's get a little bit of yellow. I want a little brightness there. There we go. Cleaning my brush. I'm going to get a little bit of white. I'm going to get a little bit of titanium white now, just into that yellow like that. Bring that in there. Nice warm glow. In fact, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a big almighty type of sun, I think, just poking itself through there. May have to just dry that off with a hairdryer in a second. Just reiterate that. We'll highlight that little bit of sun. You can just about see it, which is okay. That's okay. So what I want to do now is bring in just a mountain shape like this. Same colour, that burnt umber and orange. Dragging that in. Trying to get that nice edge. Don't want to lose that edge. Dragging that through. Let's get a little bit more burnt umber because I want it to slightly darker over there. There we go, like that. Nice line across. And let's just get our brush and just drag through like this. Maybe just to show a little bit of, highlight a little bit on their mountains like that. There we are, we got that warm, distancy looking sunset. Now I'm going to get some burnt umber, mixing in with a bit of orange, get a little bit of black this time, because I want to really darken it up, And let's put some tree shapes or silhouette of trees coming in like this. Let's get some dark in there. Reminiscent of something like a Bob Ross type of painting. Bring a bit of shadow down. Just like that. And we could get these down, because they're going right into the distance. Like that. Drag a bit of that down then, like that. They could be coming out. There we go. Let's get a bit more red. Let's just put another little mountainy type of outcrop thing just there, like that. Maybe just bring that down a bit, just like that. Bit of shadow in the water. I'm going to dry that very quickly with a hairdryer. Just getting a little bit of moisture on my brush. I just wiped my brush with some tissue paper, a little bit of moisture on the brush. No more paint on that brush, but what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of shadow just on the back of that mountain. Picked up a little bit of yellow. Let's increase these ones that are just painted over. Just adds a little bit of difference there. I'm just going to pick up a detail brush now, and I'm going to put this, let's get some, it's got to be titanium white. There we go. That sun in. A bit of warmth and a bit of brightness into this sky. There you go. Just a little bit of light. Let's get a little bit of this cloud colour. Put a little bit of a cloud Just going across, maybe that sun. Just putting a few little bits of colour just in the sky. So it was a little bit darker across the top, so I'm just going to skag that in, just like that. You play with this as you want to. You design your own painting. There you go. I'm just going to wash my brush very quickly because I want to get some yellow and some white together. Now I'm going to put in the water effect. And we come down. You can see that reflection of the sun sprinkling around this water there like that. Get some of that orange. Just put a bit of that colour here and there and here and here, just like that. Get a bit of yellow. Make a nice orange. Okay, I'm going to dry that off very quickly. Okay, our brush. Make a nice wash. This is what I call a wash. It's a very thin quarter paint, and we can put a nice wash of colour. Just over there like that. And then we get some white. You just paint and have fun. And there we have a nice warm sunset, sunrise for you. Thank you very much for joining me in the studio today. Hope you have fun. Please give it a try, have a bit of fun. You never know till you try. And I'll see you next time. Bye.